Gotta love 90s import life. So, had the clutch pedal sticking down this morning. Have a quick look at the car, check over it. Clutch fluid was good yesterday, but now the pedal's playing up and clearly the clutch fluid's low now. So, had a quick look around. It wasn't leaking under the pedal, but the clutch slave seems to be giving it up. So you can just see there the slave's weeping a little bit, which isn't too bad. It is better than a bent clutch fork than what I originally thought, so yeah. Okay, quick stop at Car Parts Plus today. They had a new slave cylinder for the GTI-R in stock. Drain the old fluid out, try and make it not as much mess. So you can see the old one's completely stuffed, rusted out. So pin's still good though, came up pretty good with the cleanup. So it's not a hard spot, it's just tight fitting around everything. Got some new fluid in, got it all bolted up, started bleeding it out. Yeah, it's all pretty good now. Just got back from first test drive, pedals a lot lighter and just a lot nicer to drive now. So hopefully no more problems for a while.